Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about Z index in CSS. So let's get started. Before moving forward, what we can do, we can just add this one of left 40 pixel and let's do top of 60 pixel. Okay, it's safe. Now here, as you can see, our paragraphs are now stacked, one on top of another. Okay, so now whenever this sort of situation happens and we want to control the layering, like which element has to be on top of the other, we can use Z index for that. And Z index only applies to the elements which are positioned, that means which are not static positioned, right? So if I just go here on our code and do something like Z index, and let's do 1 or let's do 2, and let's do here Z index of let's do 1. Okay, so theoretically what should happen, this first paragraph should be below the other paragraph which we had. But if I just go here, nothing changes. Why is that? Once again, as you can see, these elements, the paragraph element or all of the other elements by default has the position set to static. So here what we can do position and set to relative. Okay, nothing will change, but now the order is now changed. And one thing which is quite visible from our example is that higher the Z index, the higher the layer number itself. Okay, so if the element with the most amount of Z index will sit on top and the other elements will sit on bottom of the layer. Okay, so here it is. So this is the Z index basically. So we can change the layering by using Z index. So here, if I just use something like 4 right now, currently 4 is greater than 2, right? So that is why our first paragraph, like the paragraph with the class of first, okay, will sit on top of the other paragraphs which we has currently right now. So this is basically the Z index in CSS.